it seems like our industry has taken yet another blow. Let's talk about it and how it affects you. So back on June 7th, there was some severe weather and an electrical surge that hit a facility at Grand Rapids in Michigan. That building was Notion's Marketing, and they are one of the biggest wholesale distributors in our industry. That same facility is also the home to American Crafts and We Are Makers. Initially, while I thought this news was very sad, no one was hurt, and I really didn't understand the full impact of what had happened. 3 weeks later, I received an email from American Crafts advising that their warehouse is now closed. They have shut down their website, and we're not sure just how long for. Unfortunately, I do think this will be for some time yet. Now, at first thought, you might not think this is that big of a deal, like me. But turns out we are way more connected than you think. You see, in many cases, craft supplies don't go from the company that makes them, the manufacturer, directly to the craft store. It goes from the manufacturer to a distributor, then onto the craft stores. A distributor like Notions, the one that was affected in this incident, buys from dozens of manufacturers. Then the retailers buy from Notions. This allows the retailers to place just one order through Notions rather than 10 separate ones through each of the manufacturers. There really is an entire ecosystem here, and this distribution model allows smaller shops to carry a wider range of products. It's exactly how smaller stores can operate and still meet minimum order requirements. This very system means your small local craft store can carry way more products for you. And it's a big part of the Aussie scrapbooking industry. Distributors are really important to our industry because they keep product moving and they allow smaller stores to carry a much wider range of products. Take that distributor out of the picture, even temporarily, and every retailer who relied on them now has to go direct to the manufacturer. But even that's not guaranteed because not every manufacturer is set up to deal directly with a retailer. Remember, that distribution model means that the distributor is like the middleman. Having the distributor means the system is streamlined. The manufacturer is only dealing with the distributor, not 100 different retail stores. So what does all of this actually mean for you? Realistically, there are going to be gaps. Product gaps, new release delays, restock issues, but it won't affect everything. In fact, there are some craft brands that won't be affected at all. Unfortunately, I think it's the small independent stores that are going to feel the brunt of this. Chances are they may have some trouble getting the stock that they normally would. Some brands, like American Crafts and We Are Makers, are going to be harder to source. So if there's a particular product that you see in store right now, I would recommend picking it up sooner rather than later. This distribution situation could take months to resolve, many months. It all really depends on the insurance company and how quickly they can get them to action. It might even take years. Unfortunately, my experience with insurance companies is that things don't happen quickly. I truly hope that's not the case here, because something like this could be that last straw for a manufacturer or local scrapbook shop that's just holding on. I pray that it's not, but remember, we all are connected. If a store can't get stock, they can't sell stock, pay their rent and staff, and then reinvest their profits into new stock. If a manufacturer can't get stock to a retailer, they can't sell it and they can't reinvest that profit into the next thing that they're manufacturing. Think of it as the circle of life. Every step in the circle affects the next one. This situation really will affect every single crafter. And it affects content creators like me too. I do have an affiliate relationship with American Crafts, but it's very hard for me to feature and promote their products to you right now. It wouldn't be fair for me to send you to something that might sit unshipped for weeks or even months. The American Crafts store itself is actually not even open right now. I just mentioned in my last video how important that affiliate relationship is to me and my family. This truly is a setback, but our industry has been through a lot and we have endured. We're creatives and we truly are an amazing community when we work together. So here's what you can do to help. Keep shopping local and independent, even if their shelves look a little different for a while. Be patient if something's on back order. I can guarantee you the store owners are doing everything they can to get you what you need as quickly as possible. See this as a creative opportunity. If you were hoping for a particular collection that's just not available now, ask your store for something similar instead. And you could always shop your stash. Continue supporting creatives like me when we suggest alternate products and use the affiliate links whenever you can. That's really how we can all get through something like this together. Thank you so much for watching, my creative friend. I'll see you again really soon. Until then, bye!